It's me, Ivan, again. So today we're going to do another EV3 tutorial. So now you might think, oh yeah, I think we've done everything that we could, but we're not. We're still far. But today we're going to basically do something basically the same as, not basically the same, but it's it does the same usage, but it's there might be some bugs in the game, when you try and run, but just try it more than once and you see this. It'll work sometimes. And yeah, so let's get started. So we're gonna basically it's basically the same as last time. Last time we did, we did the robot. If there's a block, we just move it to the left side. But now we're gonna move it somewhere far away. This is the code. So there might be some bugs when the robot comes back. So yeah. So okay. So you might think, oh yeah, we're doing the same the same thing. The same we're using the color sensor and the other sensor. But when you need to actually build build another thing. It's not the cuboid, okay? So you need to build another set type that charges in two. So let's get start coding before we get too far away. So first, let's get coding with some few scripts, because so when you get to when program starts, and let's set A speed to 30. So just the A motor speed. It's still gonna use the arms. Do not break any or dismantle anything that we did before. So we're gonna use basically all of them. So then set movement speed to 40. And then we're gonna make 4 custom blocks called grab the cuboid. It's gonna use the A motor, and now the second is drop off cuboid. It's gonna use it. And then and another one named find the line. Find the line. And then the last one is follow the line. And so after we got these, put the grab cuboid first and drop off cuboid next. Find the line the third, and follow the line the last, because we need to find the line before we can actually follow the line. So get the grab cuboid, the grab cuboid first in that tidy stack, and then we're gonna start moving straight at 20 speed, and then wait, and then we need wait until distant, we're using the 4 it checks how distant. I didn't connect it right now, so I can't really tell you which one. The 4 wait distance less than how about 3.8 centimeters. So we'll just go down the A motor right now, and then stop moving. So we'll just stop moving the robot, and then now we're gonna run counterclockwise that we did before. 100 degrees. And then now after we've done this cuboid thing, just gonna grab the cuboid we did last time. Now we're gonna do the drop off cuboid. And then the drop off cuboid, we need to move forward by 4.8 rotations. And then start moving right 100 by 10 speed. And then it's just gonna turn. You might see it a bit awkward, but yeah. And then wait, 2. Now we're gonna use a new one, the 2. You might plug in 1 or 2. Just follow the instructions, and yeah, the 2 one is gonna appear. It's gonna be automatically set. So just follow the instruction and put it in 2. Unless you did 1 or other numbers, and it is changed more than 43 degrees. Okay, now I'm gonna explain to you something. This 43 degrees actually just turned on the right 43 degrees. like you know what actually the motor does? The motor actually, like, when you start the code, no matter which direction you're facing, it starts at degree 0. And then when you turn right or left, it will change negative or positive. And then it's like basically a degrees remembering system. It's basically variables or some sort of special variables that usually degrees. So I think now you get it. And now we need to move forward. Okay, I think that's 2.8 rotations. No. Yeah, move forward. Move forward 2.8 rotations. And then like we just do now, we do an 8 run clockwise, 100. So if we did this is just gonna go up 100 minutes. If we move the A motor down, we need to move it up again, right? So yeah. Next, I'm gonna grab that find the line block. So we're gonna use it now. The find the line block, it's gonna be like it just finds a line, like it just turns everywhere, and yeah. You might it might hit some of your furniture or whatever blocking your way, but just try to move that a little. So so now put the find the line, and then we start moving the two at negative 20, 70, negative 20, negative 70 speed. So we'll just literally turn left. And then 2 wait until, okay, 2 wait, well, not 2, oh, where's that 2? Okay, 2 and wait until angles change more than 45 degrees, and start moving 50, 40. And then we need to wait until, okay, we need the 3 color sensor. The 3 is reflected light intensity is less than 50, and then start moving at 30, negative 10 speed, and then put another way until after. Do not put anything after this way. So basically, it's greater than 50. I think that would wait until this like it was. I think it would just literally just wait until this, and after it needs to have this like thing, or it's gonna keep running the code. It's not if this has never passed, it would never. It's like a security if a bad guy is coming. If bad guy never passes the security, it will never go. So it just loops around basically. It's basically a repeat until. I think it has different meanings. So now let's lastly do the follow line code. The follow the line code, it's an easy script. So we're just gonna grab a repeat until, and when you get it, 4 is distant less than 6 centimeters. And it's the motor. It's basically the wire plug into 4. If you plug in something else before the video, you should already know. Before like last video. So last video, you should already checked it. So there should be no problem. If you see something like going wrong here, just try to change. Like if you plug 1 instead of 2, you can just change that to 1 here. So now let's continue doing start moving. Okay, this start moving is it start moving straight 0 at 50 speed. This one, not the start moving at 50 speed. The other one. So now we're gonna do start moving. Okay, let me go to operator, get a minus. We're gonna use some math. 50 minus 3 light intensity. 3 reflected light intensity. And then stop moving. The motor is done. I think we're all done. So after you clean up the blocks, so this is all the code. I'm gonna slowly go through if you missed anything. Okay, I think all of this is done right. Okay, so now after we've done this, you can now test it. Just click the start the project if you connect it. If you didn't, just connect to your EV3 brick. So I think we'll end it here for like next episode and next. So we might do some little changes or adding or doing something else with the car or whatever else. So like after class, like you can also try adding like making like just move around even more. But you will need black tape to floor like on my little courses. So I hope you have a good episode, and I think we're gonna end it here. Bye. Have a good day.